Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So we are going to continue our journey with options trading. Last week I had just updated to you about ATF Challenge program. It's a mentorship program. So those who have missed that video, just have a look of it. It's called as announcement of ATF Challenge. You can see the latest video. It's basically a mentorship program for 30 days. Friends, I would like to say that trading is easy, strategies are easy, lots of strategies are there, but making money every month is a big challenge. So I'm doing this program to teach you money management and many other techniques. It won't be strategies or something like that. It will be money management techniques and other kind of techniques what to do. I'll be teaching you for 1 hour telephonic interview, telephonic training, and by team viewer training, and then after that daily I'll be WhatsApping you for 30 days and make sure that you are doing the same thing what I have taught you. 1 week you will have to do paper trading, and then once you are doing all the trades correctly, I will be allowing you to do for 3 weeks real trade, and I will make sure that you are on profit. So if you want to join this program, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And continuing with the options trading, if you have any doubts, you can also WhatsApp on me and my number and clarify your doubts, and we'll see today's live trading video. So today's live trading video went on very well. So I'll just show you the stock selected was Axis Bank, and the call will be given before 9:30. That is, the details will be given before 9:30. And today the stock selected was November 610 call and 600 puts. So these were the two stocks which were selected, and this will be done basically before 9:30, and we will place our trades at 9:30. So there's sufficient time for you all to put these stocks put these premiums into your watch list and be ready at 9:30. It's best suited for working peoples because you just hardly need 2 to 3 minutes to just place a trade, and you can just leave it till end of the day. Otherwise you can book your profits whenever I say to book the profits. And best part is it's an hedging strategy. We just have to place the trade and then just leave it off. Okay, so today the buy call is buy at 19 rupees. Okay, so and also I wanted to inform to keep a buffer of 1 rupee. Usually this is what we keep. Buffer is a difference between the trigger price and the buy price. So let me place a trade for myself. The trigger price is 19 and the price will be 20, that is 1 rupee difference. I'm just placing the buy order. Okay, now coming for the put order. Put order also is placed for doing the hedging purpose. We won't be keeping stop loss. We'll only be keeping buy of puts and buy of call. That's it. If one trigger, other will be the stop loss. Okay, so buy put also at 19. So these were the level for today. So let me also place for myself. So the trigger price is 19 and the price is of 1 rupee difference, and I have placed both the trades. You can see that after giving the call, after giving the signal, there's lot of time. It's still at 18.30, whereas our entry price is at 19. So it is not current market price, it is advanced levels. Okay, so we can see that today easily it has come close to 2000 and has come back to 1560. So then I had informed everyone to start booking your profits at 2000. Usually what happens is we can book our profits or we can wait till end of the day. So the price went up till 4000 rupees today, and most of them were able to book profit at around 2000 rupees. So calls keep coming. This is why I ask to please stop calling me while I'm trading. So today the price you can see has gone up to 4860, close to 5000, and most of them were able to book decent profit around 2000, 3000, 4000. So that is the powerfulness of the strategy. So once again I am proud to say that this strategy has worked out very well today also, and we are in very good profits. It's good for working people because you just have to place your trade and then you can keep a bracket order of your target, or otherwise you can leave till end of the day. You don't have to continuously keep monitoring. Only in case if I ask to book your profits, you have to just log into your screen and then just book the profit. Otherwise you can keep a bracket order and close your profits, or second option is you can leave till end of the day and take whatever the market gives you. So friends, this is all about the options trading. If you want to learn the strategy, you can always WhatsApp on my number. I would suggest you to learn the strategy and implement yourself so that you will not have any confusions. And in order to track your performance, in order to learn the way I am trading, you can always look into my live tradings and recheck yourself whether you are doing it correctly. Okay friends. So once again, any doubts, just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Also, if you want to start the mentorship program, you can always update me, just you can WhatsApp me. And also, if you want to join Upstock or Zerodha, you can use the link which I have provided in the description of this video. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.